Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first reaction video and I don't even know what I'm calling the channel yet, so I'm yet to rename it. Well, name it, not rename it. And my first video is going to be the power of sound. Let's have a quick look. Power of sound, KTM 300 EXC, the bike I want to buy next. I have seen this many times, so it's not a new thing to me. It's just a good way for me to get into doing my first stop interrupting. Typical. I'm just doing my first intro. Someone's messaging me. Anyway, this is Adam Raymond. Adam Raymond, you've got to check him out on his YouTube channel. He's got awesome videos, probably some of the best motorbike videos I've ever seen. He travels across Himalayas on motorbike with his dad. He goes from Austria to Egypt. He's got this one, this is Power of Sound, which is like more of a, if you're into motorbikes, you'll love two strokes. If you love two strokes, you'll love this one. This is all about the two-stroke combustion engine, and he's also got another one called Riding the High, which is an amazing one. And that's one of my biking friends actually just messaged me. But this is just brilliant if you like two strokes and you like motorbikes. So let's get it playing. That's music to my ears.
Engineering, the perfect partnership between physics and design. A tangible record of man's greatest achievements. Created out of necessity, perfected with technology, and built to endure the test of time. The world is altered by these creations. Some assist our way of life, some promote our demise. Engineering is a complex, mysterious, and ingenious idea brought to life by invention. Machines used to build machines.
I've just got to say, I'm an engineer. I run an engineering company. I've got my own business doing engineering. So this is one reason why I like this video.
Some have limited purpose, superseded by a new idea, but every so often, that idea becomes a mechanical masterpiece, one that cannot be surpassed and cannot be made redundant by a new design. The two-stroke engine is one such masterpiece. Its power-to-weight ratio is superior, 30% higher than the equivalent capacity four-stroke. It's naturally aspirated, needing no assistance from an accelerator pump or fuel injection. It achieves a full power cycle with just two strokes of its piston: induction, compression, combustion, and exhaust. There are no valves controlling each phase. Instead, the piston reveals exhaust and intake ports set in the lower half of the cylinder. The piston travels up the cylinder like a syringe, drawing air and fuel into the crankcase through a one-way reed valve. It's an organic exchange of vacuum and pressure as the piston pumps fuel and air into the cylinder. Intake ports direct the fresh charge to the cylinder head, while combusted gas...
It's just getting me excited. I've got a CR250 two-stroke sat in my garage. It's a 1998 model, the first aluminium frame CR250. And I've had it since 2004, so it's like part of my family. I've also got a WR250F, which I'm a bit heavy for it. But it's just so much fun. The WR250 is a four-stroke, and about halfway through the revs, it's just got this sweet spot of power. On the low end revs, you can just do anything with it. It's just so handleable. It could be a learner bike. But from halfway up to 3/4 of revs, it has just got a nice power. For a 250, it's awesome. Anyway, let's get back.
Gas is venting simultaneously through the exhaust ports. At 10,000 RPM, the spark plug ignites 166 contained explosions of power every second. A two-stroke achieves this rate of combustion thanks to the exhaust being shaped like a musical instrument. It harnesses sound waves emitted from combustion and reflects them back toward the exhaust port to momentarily reverse the flow of gas. This forces escaping fuel and air mixture back into the cylinder, which supercharges the engine at high RPM. A two-stroke reaches maximum power when the returning sound wave meets the exhaust port at the exact stroke of compression. This is when it hits that magic note. This is when a two-stroke is on the pipe. There's no other engine like it. There's nothing like two-stroke power, and there's really nothing like the power of sound.
Get ready. I'm getting excited. I feel like I want to go on a motorbike. I actually want to buy one of these KTM 300s. I think I'm going to have to sell a motorbike or two to get one, but I think for me this is the all-round best bike. I love the two strokes, the lightweight, it's powerful, I'm a big heavy guy, and just awesome. I've had two KTMs before, so I've had bikes since I was 10 years old. And this guy's got some skill. You know, this is the kind of riding I do, but he's on another level to me. I can go over trees, you know, I've been down big drops, but this guy is good, he's very good. He's a journalist who races. After many enduro races, which is like this kind of terrain, not as extreme as this actually. So I appreciate this kind of riding. He's awesome. I see every little bump and every wheel where he's lifting the wheel up and putting the power on. Because I've ridden since I was 10 years old, I just see everything what he's doing. It's good. Yeah. Like that, look at that looks daunting, that looks scary. Take it one step at a time, one step at a time. Don't look at it as a whole, one bit at a time. But he's good, he's doing good. He's got some skill. Yes. Toby Price, probably Australia's best off-road rider. He's an awesome rider. If you notice on some of the jumps, the bike will be, it'll be going up at an angle, and then all of a sudden in the air it changes angle, and that's because if you put the front brake on while you're mid-air, the inertia of the front wheel stopping pulls your front end down, and also if you're jumping front end heavy, like nose diving, then you put your power on the back wheel, and the spin of the back wheel pulls your back end down. So if you watch the videos, I saw it straight away with him. So if you watch it, he's you can see the bike twisting in the jumps like this. So watch, keep your eye out. Let's have a look. See if we can see it. Here we go, see if he does it. You won't see it while he's doing whips. That action about putting the front wheel down or the back wheel down, it's only when you're doing a straight line jump, when your bike's upright. Once you're on that, once you're doing the whip, your bike's not in the same, I don't know what the word is. Your bike needs to be straight up and just going over it straight, and then that's when you can use the inertia of your wheels. When you're that way and you put the brake on, it'll send you somewhere else. I don't know. I can't whip like he can. Awesome rider, awesome bike, fantastic track. That noise makes me excited. That noise makes me want to get on my bike. Bloody adverts.
Your kitchen sponge is protected from bacteria.
Alright, come on, get out of the way. This is more my kind of ride. Multi-terrain. I still ride motocross tracks. But this is more my kind of riding. Riding down ditches, rivers, not rivers but streams like this. Long open tracks. Over mountains, through woodland, through sludge. Just a variety, a massive variety. I've seen this video loads of times too. It just gets me excited, gets me fired up. Great camera angle. I like it. Look at that. Yes, come on. See, I know the feeling. I can feel what's happening. This camera angle it's got a zip line. It's got a camera going down a zip line. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Adam Raymond, he's the man. Right, I'm off out. I'm going to go out on my motorbike, so I'll talk to you all later. I'm going to get my motorbike out even though it's dark. I'm not really, but I feel like it. Let's come off this. Right then guys, that's my first ever reaction video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.